so many compliments when I went out to brunch. Yes, the girls were loving it. They were like, oh my God, I love your hair. And I was like, I love your hair too, sis. You know, it's all about the natural hair community. Hey friends, welcome to my channel, Adia Sharel. I am going to be showing you how I got these little buns. So what you'll need for this hairstyle are bobby pins, clips to keep your hair separated, a rat tail comb, a soft bristle brush, and whatever you use for detangling. I use a Denman brush for my detangling. That gets the job done. And you'll also need some type of hold product, whatever that is, whether that's gel, edge control, that's what I use, pomade, spray, hairspray. I used a little got to be glued on after I was done. And then some extension hair if you want to. I use some leftover spring twist hair that I use in my spring twist tutorial. So yeah, that's all you would need. So go hurry up, go grab those things and do it step by step together. Stay tuned. So I'm gonna start off by just cleaning up this middle part. Okay, and then I'm gonna do a part right where I want the buns to be placed. So right at the top of the crown. Okay, so we have our two pieces. For now, just section off the back. I'm just gonna put it in the ponytail. And we're gonna part the front. So we're gonna have one bun here, two here, and two there. So I'm gonna start off by parting right here. We're gonna make a triangle right in the center. Right. That section, twist it off and twist up this way. So it's almost the same thing to the other side. Bring it right on back. Wow, there we go. And then section this off. Now with the back, I want it to more so just go all straight up. So what I'm going to do is just gather it up, and then wherever it meets one of the buns, that's how much hair I'm going to collect in that spot. And then the same thing, I'm going to find this bun, kind of just part it right in here and connect it to that one, and so on and so forth. Alrighty. So let's just, again, just place it, see where everything will fall. I'm parting it, separating it right near the top. Okay. So I'm going to start with this section here. Okay. So all of this is going into one bun. Okay. So I'm just going to spritz it a little with my Mielle leave-in conditioner, white peony. Okay. Add a little bit of my extreme gel first. Okay, quick tip. You want to make sure that you put gel all around the perimeter of the hair. This will help you when you want to smooth it all into the ponytail. Going in with my Ebon Edge Tamer. And then again, I'm just going in with my pomade. It has a little bit of an extra hold, more stiffness, and I'm doing that all around the perimeter. Once that is all in, I take my soft bristle brush and start to brush it on out and smooth it down. And you could always add more product if you feel that you need extra hold. And I'm just smoothing that in with my fingers, gathering the hair all together, and I start to put in the ponytail. And make sure you don't do it too tight. You don't want any breakage. Next section, the little edge control. Really smooth that on, but okay. And keep brushing until you feel comfortable. You see me grabbing a clip. I'm trying to conceal the parts as much as possible, and then I'm just putting in the ponytail holder. There we go. We're on to the middle section. So I'm going to wrap my hair into buns. Okay, then I'm gonna wrap it with a scarf, let it set, and then I'm gonna put a little extension here and wrap it around. Okay, while this is setting and drying, I'm going to wrap the little buns, and the hair I'm going to be using is some spring twist hair. This is what it looks like before I detangle it. This is what it looks like after. And I'm just gonna start off with one piece and see how that goes. So let's tuck this down here. And then just wrap it around like so. Okay, now I'm just gonna shape these a little bit. I want them kind of smushed down and spread out. And now I'm just going to smooth down the edges. Try to get a couple of swoops. I don't do anything too crazy with the edges, as you can see. Just make sure they're all smooth in there. Get a little swoop on the ends. And then I'll just repeat the same process on the other side. I really want this bad boy to stay. And here I'm just adding another scarf to get the back flat. What did you think? I hope that you tried this hairstyle and you wear it out, honey. Show them what you're working with, okay? Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Leave your comments. I want to hear that you like it. I want to hear if you love it. I want to know all the questions that you have. I am here to answer them. You can also follow me on Instagram at Adia_Sharel. You can follow me on TikTok at Adia Sharel. I'm there. I'm on Pinterest, Adia Sharel again. Just type in Adia Sharel and on all the social media platforms, on all the internets, okay?